Sup YouTube, it's the real plastic bleach here, and today I got everything set up for the stream and stuff, so I wanted to play a couple rounds of Among Us or Valorant or something. It's a new game I got, well, it's free, but yeah. I wanted to play a match of this to test everything out. I'm hoping you can hear me, I'm hoping everything works fine, and yeah, so, peace. Well, not, but we're gonna be playing Among Us, so yeah. Oh, it's kind of dark. Let me turn the light back on. I just got shocked. Okay. I Someone took my LED light, so it's garbage. But yeah, we're just gonna find a quick match, cause I just wanted to test this out. I didn't really care how it went. I just wanted to test how the gameplay goes. It's just not good. So I just wanted to test everything out. Once I do that, we can set. But yeah, so we start that. We'll be getting on Discord and stuff later, not now. I'm still figuring stuff out. Yeah, but this will be going on YouTube probably. Let's hope it goes on YouTube. Let's hope. Because that's what I'm hoping. My little cousin was playing on my PC. Okay, let's do this. Hats. Alien. Okay. But yeah, I've just been waiting and stuff for this. Now that I have it all set up, it'll be fun. I just moved the thing down there if you can know. Oh, imposter. Sick. First match. Okay. So, I haven't played Among Us in a while, bro. Oh, this dude's name is Corpse. Should I kill him? Kill a dude named Corpse. Yo, I feel super like weird playing this, man. Because I haven't played in a while, so I'm like, should I or not? I just spilled like I got this box filled with like frozen Coke from Japan, and it had like frozen Coke in it because that's like a drink or something they had in it, because it come with like one drink and it had like a frozen Coke. Tried it. It was good. It tastes like it looks like a Coca-Cola slushie. Yeah. Why? Okay. Destroy purple. Man, I'm so happy I got this setup though. Got like a toner mic, cheap little mic. It works for my setup completely though. I'm happy about that. I wish you didn't have to see the background of my stuff, cause like I have a blanket right here, like. But yeah. Okay. I haven't killed nobody yet though. I feel stupid about that one. Now we instantly go into this. 201. 55. I don't want to seem sus. I haven't killed nobody yet, but still, because I haven't gotten a chance to do it. I hope no one notices. Yo. The light I have is kind of like orange. They might just vote me out for like no reason. Imagine that. Am I cyan? Am I cyan? Let me just check that out. Okay, I'm all good right now. Let me just I can't believe I got away with that. I can't believe I got away with that, bro. I might have. Somebody might just notice that I'm kind of quiet. And then they're like, "Oh, okay, let's get him out there." Oh, I should have voted corpse. I should have voted corpse. Yo, I used to watch like corpse husbands like scary videos like a lot. Like those are sick, and now he does like the Among Us stuff and everything. It's cool too, but not as cool as his old videos. I thought it was really cool how he had the stories and stuff. Got him. Okay, we're gonna be playing like, okay, I'm finna like do a match of Valorant now, but I'm not gonna talk. So that's gonna be kind of tough, considering. But we're gonna do one match of Valorant, just because I'm not the best at it, but I can play it. I feel like, so it's like, you feel me? So I'm hoping this video, I hope y'all can see the screen. Y'all should be able to. But in case you don't, I'm sorry. Will not be posting it then. I'll delete the video after I post it. Cause like what I'm doing is when I use screen capture. I'm sorry. I please tell me something more. I have to do, please, man. Cause really, I've been chilling now to the point where I'm like, oh yeah, by the way, I play Killjoy. So I've been like chilling with the thing. I play Killjoy and Jet actually, but like this whole thing set up is cool. I have like the webcam right in the middle, and then I have my PC right there, right over there. And I have like this light right there. I have like pop figures and stuff like right there. I have a pop like shelf. I have like 2 pop shelves that pops right here. Right here I am super sad. I have like Appa. But I messed his head up because it broke. Because I took him out of the box because I wanted to see what he looked like, but he came broken. So I tried to fix him with glue. Once that happened, it didn't go well. I have like Bart, Werewolf Bart, Limited. I have Spaceman Bart here too. Something I like to do my spare time like these. Ooh. Okay, Joy quickly. Every time I play this game, man, it's really sad. Oh, I'm sorry too. I forgot to turn this up. You guys can't hear like the game. I'm sorry, man. It sucks. I'll find something better to record with once I get the chance. Like, should I be recording with like a camera? Because now I can. I just need something to screen capture the screen. That's what I have to figure out. So this is new to me. So like once I figure out that, I'll be set. And now I have the speakers playing in the.
It's nothing. I'll burn them faster than they can mend. Reloading.
I have like the speakers playing in the background because like I can't do much. Like it sucks, man. It sucks. We just no, I'll sell that. Boom. Let me see what else. Nope. We're good. I feel like, am I stupid for playing a shotgun? Am I?
Reloading.
Like, I don't know. I don't know if it's like COD. If you like run a shot like the main shotgun, you're
Right
dumb.
here.
Huh.
Right here.
Place a turn over here.
Turn out.
God, I'm lagging. It's gonna be a problem.
Placing alarm bot.
I'm stuck
Spike planted.
already. Why? Why they already planted a spike, bro? They probably went to the other side.
Placing swarm grenade. Swarm grenade out. Enemy spotted.
Bro, I'm stuck.
One enemy remaining.
Bro, what is happening? Thank God, bro. That was so dumb. I kept pressing F on accident instead of 4.
In the wild, fire
Man!
is light. You be our fire, Phoenix.
Boom. Get saw that. No. Fine by me. Fine. No, I already got the shotgun on because I survived last round. Man, I feel like a bot right now because I'm recording. Because I be playing by myself. I just be chilling, like vibing with people when I play this game. Because like I just be chatting people because it's fun. That's my favorite part about this game. They're mainly going on this side. Yo, I think they're mainly going on the other side. Lit. Oh, I felt weird. Whoa, never mind.